Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView app. First, download the app from your app store and either create a new account or log in. Once inside, take a moment to explore the intuitive interface. You will find various sections for charts, news, and your personal watch list. Getting familiar with these basic navigation points will set you up for success right away. It's super easy to get started. Now let's dive into charting. Select any asset to open its detailed chart. Here, you can apply a wide range of technical indicators, like the popular moving averages, to help analyze price movements. You can also draw directly on the chart to mark trend lines or key support and resistance levels. Feel free to experiment with different chart types, such as candlesticks, to find what works best for your analysis. Watch lists and alerts are powerful tools for staying informed. Create custom watch lists to group your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs. This helps you monitor specific markets without clutter. Even better, set price alerts for any asset. You will receive a notification when your target price is reached. This ensures you never miss a crucial market move, keeping you ahead of the game. Finally, explore the vibrant TradingView community. You can discover countless trading ideas and analyses shared by other users, offering fresh perspectives. Follow experienced traders and analysts to gain valuable insights and learn new strategies. You can also contribute your own ideas and engage in discussions, making it a fantastic platform for learning and connecting. It's a great way to expand your trading knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.